This is a tornado warning. Do not turn off your TV because we have messages. I repeat, do not turn off your TV or device. There's a F3 tornado coming towards your area. Your current area is Chicago, Illinois. And a tornado, an F3 tornado, has been located very nearby, 4 miles away in a different part, and not in Chicago. A F3 tornado has been reported coming towards your home area. Listen closely, as this may have a good information that might help you not die in this kind of situation, as the tornado is rolling in about 35 minutes. In 10 to 20 to 25 minutes, you are going to see heavy clouds. Even before that, you're 10 to 15 minutes before this, after this message is displayed on your TV. You will see a little heavier clouds than there used to be. In 0 to 5 minutes after this message, 0 to 10, not really 0 to 5, I don't know why I said that, but 0 to 10 minutes after this message is displayed, you will not notice any side effects. So, there will be another message displayed when the tornado hits, and the message will display in 25 minutes. So you have time to prepare. It may not be devastating. Fingers crossed that you will survive, but this broadcast is probably needed to survive. Already 2 minutes 42 seconds have passed, and you need to stay inside, and the danger level is free, so it may be dangerous if you go out. It's safe to go out from 0 to 10 minutes from now, as it is not recommended but still doable to go out in 10 to 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is more dangerous. And we will display this message in 25 minutes. It is not prohibited but very dangerous to go outside during a tornado. F3 tornado. It's not devastating, but it can still maybe, I don't know, fling a kid across the roof and kill him, I don't know. I don't know what the side effects will be, as we do not know the future. But still, read this message. The state of Illinois has put all of these together. Now, I will broadcast you in 21 minutes. So, I hope you're prepared.